Stiffe Midi-Knopf, stiffe Midi-Knopf, stiffe Midi-Knopf. Genau, genau, genau. Stiffe Midi-Knopf, stiffe Midi-Knopf, stiffe Midi-Knopf.
What's up? Today we're going to replace the glass on the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3. Yeah, let's get it going. This is a CDMA version. Make sure your device is powered down. Remove the SIM card, the micro SD card, and we'll get going. I'm going to start by using a plastic tool, prying along the edges. In my case, this is broken. Be careful that you don't cut yourself. Be careful that you don't push any of the glass into the device. Keep going around there. These little clips are going to be released. Take your time. No rushing. Eventually it'll come. See, you're just releasing these plastic clips. You gotta be just in the right spot. Where the right spot is, well, that's the trick.
Hello.
Good morning. Okay, let's see what we got. See? And that's it. Get something going here on the side. Let's. SD card is removed, SIM card is removed. Get one more clip somewhere here. That's it. That's it. And the back comes off just like that. Okay, make sure to clean your work surface. Remove the glass. Face down. It's going to be 4 Phillips head screws. I'm going to remove those. Come on. Maybe I'll screw it. It's always handy to keep some tweezers around. Move a piece of tape. This is the battery connector. We're gonna pull up on it. Be gentle. You don't want to rip the connector off the board. So, come on. Let's use some plastic here. There it is. Battery. Put it to the side. Be careful with it. Okay. I'm going to say this is the LCD connector. Well, actually, I think if we're a little bit lucky, We don't have to disassemble the whole thing. This is the digitizer plug. I know that because this is my new screen, and let's take a look here. See, if we're a little bit lucky, we're just going to peel it off just like that. Get the two buttons at the bottom. I don't really know what it looks like underneath here, but what I know from notes and S3s, there might be a ribbon here that's glued to the glass separate. So we're going to start at the top and see what happens here. I'm going to use some heat. I use a heat gun on low. It's a 1200 watt heat gun. I don't have a fancy temperature controlled one, but this has been working out just fine for me. When you're doing this, sorry, let me turn it off. When you're doing this, make sure you don't damage any of the components in the back. Just be careful with it. It's all pretty fragile. So heat gun on low. Soften up the glue a little bit. Oh, it's melting my poster board. Nice. Okay. Unlike the Galaxy phones, I believe this screen doesn't have the loci in between. It's just taped at the edges. So my handy dandy pry tool here, let's see what it does. Look at that. Like butter ish. It starts becoming hard. Heat it up a little bit more. Like so. You look at that. Make sure, maybe wear some glasses when you do this. You don't want these little pieces of glass to jump in your face, get in your eye. That's just no fun. Well, will you look at that? Okay. I'm going to use a little guitar pick here, which you just stick in there so to make sure it doesn't stick back down again, the part that I already opened up. See right there. Let's see what you can do at the top. You want to make sure you go under the ribbon. Like so. That's the camera, so be careful there. If you run into problems there, Don't just keep dragging over it because you're going to break something that's still inside. Will you look at that? Swoop by it pretty nicely. Look at that. Again, these little jumpy pieces of glass. Wear some glasses so you don't get it into your eyes. Will you look at that? Okay, now we're getting to the bottom. That's kind of the mystery part to me. I don't know quite yet how these buttons, like these touch buttons here at the bottom, how they function. So we gotta see, it might be a ribbon like the notes in the Galaxy S3s, S4s. We gotta be a little bit careful. Okay, we heat it up a little bit. Let's see. Apologize for the little edit there. Some people came in, phone started ringing, all that fun stuff. Okay, let's keep going here. You hit the screen like this, and I'm trying to see if there's a ribbon cable here. It doesn't seem to be like that, so let me just get some heat on it again. Okay, we're running a little bit more heat. Sorry for all these edits. The phone keeps ringing. Okay, let's see what we got here. See if we can get in there like that. See, something has to power those buttons, and I don't really know. If it's a flex cable or holy mackerel. Well, I don't seem to be breaking. I haven't broken anything here, so let's see. This is glued on really tight. Make sure you don't lose this button. You're gonna have to reuse that. Let's see what we got here. Make sure it doesn't stick back down. Other side here. No, it seems to be just tape. There it is. Nice. Oh, look at that. And the tape is coming off nicely. You want that. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Get the button. Get my guitar pick back. Okay, that's that. This goes in the trash. Try not to touch the LCD screen with your fingers too much. Get some spots. I like to use a little microfiber towel. Make sure it's clean. Make sure there's not glass shards or stuff in it. Now let's see what we got here. There it is. Looking beautiful. Okay. Button goes in here like, I'm going to say it goes in here like so. New screen is right here. My screen came with glue already on it, so that's should make it real easy. Make sure to peel off all the plastic. There it is. She's a beaut. Don't forget that button. Let's see, we lay it in here. Let's stay. Let's hope it stays. Oh yeah. Now, oh no, it doesn't. Okay, you're gonna have to pay attention. You gotta make sure that it lays down properly, because once it's down, it's down. Okay, apparently today's a great day for filming. My phone ran out of memory. Okay, put the button in place. When you put the screen down, make sure you're in the right spot, because it's a I like to peel this side off too, so I can really see if there's any blemishes. There's nothing. Once it's down, that's it. Gently squeeze her all the way around. That's it. She's a beauty. Clean your surface if you put your new screen down. Okay, there we go. Start by plugging in the new screen. There it is. Okay. Put that battery back. Okay. I'm gonna put that battery back. It can only go in one way. Yep, clicks right in. Four screws, and we should be good to go. Okay, housing, camera. Should click right back into place. And once that housing is back on, you can squeeze down on the screen a little bit better, you know? There, just plastic clips. Everything is in place. Let's see what happens. Okay, LCD still comes on. That's a good sign. Make sure everything is... Buttons work. I like it. Okay, that's the repair. It's fairly simple. Be careful with it. Don't rush it. All parts and tools are available at sdcellphonerepair.com. If you like my video, please subscribe for more repair videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I try to answer them quickly. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and until the next one.